Why is difference of squares special in factoring? Have you ever wondered why some algebra concepts seem to have a magic touch? One such concept is the difference of squares. This pattern stands out in the world of polynomials and factoring, making life a lot easier for learners. Let's break it down. The difference of squares is special because it follows a clear and consistent pattern. This pattern allows us to factor certain polynomials quickly and efficiently. When you have an expression that is the difference of two perfect squares, you can factor it into two binomials. The formula is simple. If you have a squared term minus another squared term, it can be expressed as a 2b2 is equal to a plus b, ab. In this formula, a and b representing any expressions whose squares create the original terms. For example, if you take x2 25, you can factor it as x plus 5, x5. Here, both x2 and 25 are perfect squares. This pattern is unique because it applies to any two perfect squares that are separated by subtraction. This means you can factor expressions without guessing or testing many pairs. Recognizing the difference of squares allows you to factor quickly and reliably. Even when the terms are more complex, this pattern still holds. For instance, if you have 2mn plus 2 mn 2, you can apply the same rule to factor it. This flexibility makes the difference of squares a powerful tool in algebra. Another interesting aspect is that it introduces the concept of conjugates. The two binomials, a plus b and a b, are called conjugates. When you multiply them, the middle term cancels out, leaving just the difference of squares. Mastering this concept lays the groundwork for understanding more advanced factoring techniques and algebraic identities. Recognizing this pattern helps learners build confidence and skills for tackling more complicated polynomials. In practical terms, the difference of squares is often used to factor quadratic expressions quickly. It can simplify algebraic fractions and help solve equations by setting each factor equal to 0. It even helps in recognizing patterns in higher-level math problems. By getting comfortable with the difference of squares, learners gain a handy tool that makes factoring less daunting. It opens the door to grasping fundamental algebra concepts with ease. So, the next time you encounter a difference of squares, remember how special it is in the world of polynomials and factoring.